In this video, we will use the new functionality of the custom game viewport client and our blueprint function library. All we have to do is simply replace all direct calls with the fade versions from our blueprint function library. All right, so let's take a look at how we can replace all of those calls to opening up a level and quitting the game. So first, let's take a look at our main menu widget. So let's go in here, and instead of calling open level by soft object pointer, we are going to include our blueprint function library. And we're going to call our load level by reference after fade delay. And again, we pass in the same arguments that we do to the open level by soft object pointer, but this plays the fade before it actually opens up the level. Same thing for when we open up the credit screen. We're just going to load level by object reference after fade delay. And for quitting, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to call quit after fade delay as well. So that's for the main menu. For the pause widget, let's open that up and do a similar thing here. Let's include our blueprint function library. And when we click on the main menu, let's load level by reference after fade delay of the main menu. And when we quit, let's comment this out and use our blueprint function library to call quit after fade delay. All right, make sure that builds, and then we will have to do a few more changes inside the editor, because there's a couple of places that we call it in blueprints to quit and to open up levels. So the first one is if we open up our credit screen. This one was done all in blueprints. And for this one, we have the main menu button. That one opens up the main menu level. So what we can do is, instead of that, we can call load level by reference after fade delay. And as you see, this is from our blueprint function library that we can call here. And we can just promote this to a variable. And we can set it to the main menu. All right, and then another place that we need to do this is inside this level transition object. If we open that up, again, we do the same thing when we overlap. So let's call load level by reference after fade delay. And this is the level to load. All right, so let's try that out. Let's open up our main menu. And if we go to clip credits, we see a nice little fade in, fade out. We go to play. Go back to main menu. We transition to another level. And it looks nice and smooth. And that's it. And with that, we've completed our tutorial on creating a global screen fade in Unreal using C++. This gives you a clean fade system that works everywhere in your game. No widget hacks, no timers, and fully controllable from both C++ and Blueprint. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.